this segment, we're going to actually process an HR action. We're going to use that promotion HR action we created earlier, where we assign the promotion workflow to it. We're going to log in as a manager, initiate that promotion on one of that manager's employees, and then see how that approval process works within that workflow. So we're logged in here as Jane Brown, and on Jane Brown's dashboard, she's got her HR maintenance. Now this may look different in your system depending how you have things configured, set up, but under HR maintenance, we've got things that Jane can do to the employees that report to her. So we can hire, we can terminate. Here's our promotion form, and when we click on this, it opens up this section, and you recognize this text that we added in our workflow saying, hey, please complete the information and submit for approval. We click on start, and then we're going to choose Doris Maynard for our employee. We're going to leave it effective today. We're going to click continue, and you can see our job information and pay information over here. Remember, these are the groups that we put in that HR action to kind of separate the data here. Now we're going to choose the default job for Doris Maynard, and Doris is going to move to an engineering technician for us. So we change that job, we got the effective date, we're going to click continue, and then we move to the pay information section. And we're going to add a record here as of 3/27. Our reason code is promotion, that's the action we're taking, and Doris is going to go to $15 an hour. And we'll hit save, and then we're done. We've changed the job title, we updated the compensation. We're going to click submit. Actually, request submitted successfully. We're good on Jane's side. And you can see we've got a couple actions here. We can see it's submitted. So the action status is submitted, workflow status is submitted. So now if we hop in and we look at Chris Carpenter, who is the director, who Jane reports to, if I click on this today's task, it refreshes, and I can see I've got a new task to approve. Approve or reject HR action promotion for Doris Maynard. Now in this screen, I can see everything that's going on. I can review the changes. Doris's current job was blank. Now we moved her to an engineering tech from $12 to $15 an hour. There's all the information that changed. I can reject or approve here. If I want more information, I can view details. I can see pay information. I can see more historical information on Doris's standpoint. I can make a better decision based on that. I can view the workflow, where we're at in the workflow. We're in the approve reject status. And then if everything looks good, I can say approve and approve that action, and it's done, it's approved. If I come back to Jane's section, if I look at this, I can see Doris Maynard, that promotion submitted, and now the Doris Maynard's is completed. This one's approved, this one's completed. Once that action is complete, we can go back into that employee's record. So if I look at Doris Maynard here, open up that information, I can see the pay information has changed. The default job is now engineering tech as of 3/27, and base compensation has been updated to $15 an hour as of 3/27 as well. So we initiated the action, we suggested a new job title, suggested an increase for Doris Maynard, submitted it for approval. It was approved. Upon approval, the database was updated with the changes, and everything was processed correctly based on the workflow we had.